No, you can't see my house.
You missed it.
Alright, so let me just. So now.
Did your mom leave your phone?
I think that's my dad's phone. Damn, I have to start the video over. Oh, fuck this. Who the fuck is that? I don't know. I don't know whose phone that is. Okay, fuck it. Okay, so get the fuck in here. So now we're gonna do the barbecue challenge?
Yeah.
Barbecue challenge. And FYI, there is still cinnamon left because we just did it.
No, that's Ginger.
Ginger! Never mind, Ginger. She doesn't want to do the cinnamon challenge. Your face is so beautiful. Alright, let's just. What is something we have to do again?
Huh?
What do we have to do?
We have to get barbecue and drink as much of it until we feel like gagging.
Like swallowing or everything?
Yes.
You know what? You're gonna do this one because you didn't do the ginger challenge.
Buy me the barbecue.
Barbecue!
If I
Barbecue!
throw up.
Hold this.
If I throw up.
If I throw up, you're gonna clean it.
You know what my underwear is torn. Ew, you're gonna throw up? It's so gross.
No, if I do, you're gonna clean it up.
The fuck? Where's the barbecue in this house?
You might want to check the fridge.
Look, it's the turtle. It got out of here. It's not in there because it feels like committing suicide, I guess.
Like my fishies did.
Yeah, like my fishies did too.
They didn't like me.
Can't find the fucking. This is ketchup.
Yeah.
Want to swallow ketchup?
You sure you don't have any? Check.
If I do, I have no idea what the fuck it is.
Could it be in the other fridge?
Oh, the other fridge?
Outside where they barbecue?
I don't know. I don't think so. You want to see how much?
See, that's baked fruit. You don't.
You want to see how many dogs we can shove in our mouth?
How many what?
Because I can't find the fucking barbecue. Just how many we can shove
This
in our
is.
mouth.
You're gonna make this into some kind of sick, erotic video. You know some perverts out there are gonna be like.
Finger fuck!
You know some perverts out there are gonna be like.
Don't touch my house.
Ah! Oh shit, I have no battery. Oh god, I have no battery. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's nothing in here.
Nope,
There's meat in there. I'm sorry. We are sorry to say we have no barbecue sauce. So we are very sorry. I think that was really close. We are very, very fucking sorry. We are very sorry to say we cannot do the barbecue sauce challenge. Barbecue challenge. But I'm gonna try to convince her on doing that, hot dog thing. Yeah. Okay, bye.